Back again for round 4 of the URC. It is your Super Brew Insider. Let's have a look at the picks. It's an interesting week in the URC, so we're kicking off with the Bulls against Connacht. Die Bulls teen Connacht, interessante game. Die Bulls het van Andre Pollard verloor, maar toch weg van die huis af. Iets sê net vir my. Die Pretoriaaners gaan het gedoen kan kry. Bulls by 3 should be good enough. Edinburgh teen Benetton. Benetton weg van die huis af. Ja, dit gaan moeilik wees, but you back the winning horses. Benetton by 8. It's a bold one, but it should be fine. Lions teen Scarlets. Lions terug by die huis. Interessante game vir die Lions. Hierdie is basies hulle Damascus moment. Dis die Rubicon. Kan hier Lions oorkom? My geld is ja. Lions met 6. Hollywood bets Sharks teen Ulster. Nou, die Sharks het al hulle spelers terug. They've got their big names back. They've got Eben. They've got Sia. Everything should be in their favour. Back to winning ways, the Sharks by 6. Leinster teen Munster, the Irish derby. Probably the pick of round 4. I've got Leinster by 4 in round 4 over Munster. Ospreys, Glasgow Warriors. What a game. Should be interesting. My money's always going to be on Glasgow, and that's a bit of a tendency that we need to break at some point. And the Stormers, they wrap up the weekend against Zebre. Die Stormers is baie goed op die oomblik, en jy gaan die wenperd moet back op hierdie ene. Die Stormers met 16. The pick of round 4, and this is the freaky pick, so stay with me here. The Dragons against Cardiff. This is going to be one that if you look back at the end of the season, round 4, Dragons Cardiff, it could be a big one. So if you're feeling freaky, ride with me. Dragons by 3. Dis jou round 4 picks. Ek sê in hier van die Super Brew Insider.